Having a hard time assembling the puzzle? Well, you got nothing to worry about because we got you covered. Before attempting to solve the puzzle, let's group all 26 pieces to 5 shape groups: square, rectangle, triangle, the rope piece, and the one with coin hole. This will enable you to find the right piece easily. First, you would want to assemble the piece with the numbers 01, 05, and 09. You can find these numbers on the back of each piece. After having that assembled, take piece number 06 and slide it together with 07 and 08. It should look like this. Set that aside together with the first piece. Now take number 02, 03, and 04. Slide it all together like the previous one. It's time to assemble the 3 parts together. Remember, slowly slide each part together so that the pieces won't fall out, as this will serve as the base for our globe. Great! Now that we have that completed, let's add more pieces. Take numbers 10, 12, 14, and 16, then slide it on our base layer. 10 should be on top of 02, while 12 sits on top of 04. 14, on the other hand, should be on top of 06, and 16 is on 08. Complete the middle layer by sliding the following parts on the gaps. 11 should be in between 10 and 12. 13 places between 12 and 14. 15 fits between 14 and 16. And to complete the middle layer, place 17 in between 16 and 10. You would want to make sure that each piece is perfectly aligned and not facing upside down. Amazing! Now for the last layer of the puzzle, 18 should be on top of 12, 19 fits on 10, 20 is on top of 16, and 21 is on 14. Fill the gaps with the remaining pieces. You may probably have had a hard time with sliding in the last piece, but this should do the trick. Slide 25 first between 19 and 18, then place 22 between 18 and 21. Once done, place 23 between 21 and 20. Now adjust the puzzle until you get to see the half-sized nib. Then insert in 24 as it fits perfectly on the gap. Finally, adjust the puzzle back and slide in 26. Good job! You may now enjoy the fun and challenge your friends to solve the puzzle themselves.